What's going on? Welcome back to Herping Tips 2019. Today what we're going to talk about is equipment and attire. It's going to be good stuff. But don't go anywhere. At the end of the video I have a real big special announcement, so be sure to stick around for that. Alright, so as far as equipment goes, a big important thing that you're going to need, a field guide. I know. Probably not what ran through your mind whenever I said equipment. If you stick around for the end of the video, I'll have a video up here. I did one before, I think it was like my second video, habitats and species. I talk a lot about the importance of knowledge that you get from this and how it helps you in your herping excursions. The reason you need this when you're going out and herping is not only is it good for if you run across a species that you weren't intending on going for and you were like, I don't know what this is. Bust this open. I would recommend already having it pre-marked, not only the species that you're targeting that day, but the species that are generally around in your area that you're going to be herping. That way you don't have to spend all the time just flipping around trying to find stuff. You can just easily go, oh, there it is. Also, if you're out and you're herping and you're doing it for an educational purpose and you're filming yourself and you're going to be publishing it somewhere, like I talked about in the last video, the 3 tips for a successful herping video. Just stop the camera, open up this book, find whatever it is you're looking at, and just read up on some quick facts. Close it up, turn on the camera, and then boom, you got solid facts that you're stating. For the second crucial piece of equipment, snake hook. Not only is a snake hook good to have with you because it helps you safely interact with venomous snakes, which I wouldn't recommend. If you run across a venomous snake, best advice I can give you is just observe it. The main reason though why you want to have a snake hook with you when you're going out and herping has to do with flipping boards and tin. I did a video, which if you stay to the end of the video, I'll have it up in this area as well as the other one, on where to lay out boards and tin and the importance of knowing all that stuff that goes into where to lay it, how to lay it, all that stuff. Basically, the snake hook, you want to view it as, this might sound weird, as like an extension of yourself. When you're going to flip boards and tin, you never want to use your hands, because whenever you put your hand over that crest, for all you know, you could just have the tip of your finger bump the nose of a copperhead, and then boom, you get bit. But yeah, you just want to reach that out and then lift it up that way. That way you're far enough away to where you have no risk of getting bit by the venomous snake. You're also using that tin to shield yourself, and if that snake's going to retreat, it's not going to go towards you, it's going to go away from you. Really important to have with you when it comes to flipping, stuff like that. Really? When it comes to attire, this might sound weird, but basically if you're new into herping and you've never really thought about going into it, you're a little hesitant but you want to give it a try, I would recommend going all out. If you're going to be herping in an area where you know there's going to be venomous snakes, wear whatever it is you need to wear to make yourself feel comfortable going out and doing that, especially if you're just not getting into herping. And I'm talking about, like, if you want to get snake boots that go up and like turn into an outfit that looks like waders, do it. Like, whatever you need to wear that you feel is protecting yourself against the elements and all these other risks and all these like fears that are in your head that are just like completely unrealistic, but they've been in there and it's been holding you back. Do whatever you gotta do to put those fears at ease and go out there and just get the experience of it. And then over time, and through your research, through your studying and all that other stuff, you'll be able to realize that, you know, oh, okay, I can't just go out there with like just boots and jeans and more comfortable attire and stuff like that, and you'll be able to enjoy it more. Let nature show you what she's all about, and you will realize that you've been fearing stuff that you had no reason to fear. Big announcement is, you know, this time next week I'm going to be in Tennessee, so I'm going to have a completely different background. I'm going to be living out in the woods, herping opportunities galore, a lot better quality herping tips videos that are going to be coming your all's way. This is the last kind of herping tips video that I'm going to do until I get down there to Tennessee. Because I have a lot of ideas of things I want to do, like an actual me and my buddy Bo going out and laying out boards and tin and showing you, actually giving you a visual perspective on how to actually go about doing it. rather than just me talking. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you have any other additional tips as far as like gear and equipment, leave it in the comment section down below. If you want to check out the herping tips video about the flipping tin or the habitat and species, check that out right here. Subscribe over here in this corner if you want to. And I love y'all. I'm excited about what's to come. And happy herping.